Alright, so it's been a while since we've been on a little VlogVenture.
Rounds, this much.
It's been a little while since we've been on a VlogVenture. Not sure what we're really going to talk about necessarily or see. I have a feeling though. So, it's been a busy weekend around the city, busy week or two, South by Southwest, some other stuff, and particularly in my area. And it's never really an easy place to find, just a random place to fly on a Saturday in our city, really. So I live just a few blocks from a couple of spots I fly quite often. But that also being said, I quite often roll up to these spots, set up, or not even set up, just roll up and just realize, hey, I'm not going to be able to really fly there. So I guess maybe we'll see. We'll see if the two spots, I've got about 30-ish minutes to kill shooting this, which is just really a function of turning something on. I mean, it took me a few minutes to get the camera all set up and perfect, but yeah, so we got about 30 minutes, a couple minutes from the spot that we're gonna roll to. We'll see, are people there? Am I gonna be able to fly? If not there, then we'll head over to a second spot, we'll check it, and if we can't fly there, shit, it might just be a bust. So here we go. You ready? Let's take a ride. Lots of cars here. You're gonna see lined up. Everybody's trying to head that away. Alright, so here's where we go to the fun fast forward jams. Here we are, the first spot. So, oh, yeah, it is not clear. Little kids on the playground, first of all, which even if I wanted to fly to the left, you'll see people straight ahead on the bench, as well as over by the monuments. So, spot A, negatory Ghost Rider. Let's go to spot B. And even when we get there, we're gonna have like one, maybe two good rips, and that's it. Back to the fast forward music. Coming up on Rosewood Park. This park I should be able to get into, especially on my side. Oh, my side is locked. You can see the doors right there to the right. Locked. It's alright. Park across the street. Ah, there's somebody though over there. Interesting. This area here is not really too flyable. We got too many people walk through. There's somebody in my spot across the street. You can't see him, but he's out there. Dude, right there. You see him? Right on the shoreline. Alright, so I don't know. I mean, dude seems to be like walking his dog or something. Oh, he's running off. So I'm gonna change some props. I'm gonna get everything kind of squared up that I need to walk across the street and go light it up for a few packs. And we'll see if hopefully he leaves or we get a free jump. I mean, I only need what, like 3 good minutes, right? But yeah, I guess that's what this vlog is about finding a spot and making sure that, you know, people aren't doing park-like things at the spot. All right, let's get some props on these things. So we got like, nobody's here anymore. So we're at our regular spot at Rosewood. We're gonna give it a rip. Fresh props on it. You ready? Let's go. few props eating up in the tree. It's time for the trees to eat. Scraggle rock, scraggle rock. Alright, so that's what's up. I walked across the street, got props, came back. Didn't have my prop tool, and as soon as I picked up the camera died. So, funny enough, this entire VlogVenture ends up honestly a bit like I expected. Not how I intended, because I really did think I'd be able to maybe get a pack in and really you know, shoot some interesting content, which I tried to do. I mean, I got a lot of B-roll stuff and all that. But life interrupts, not just, you know, this stuff, but real life, you know, priorities. I am technically already late. I should be home right now to start cooking dinner, which is really just fish sticks and all. But hey, it was something that I told my wife I'd be there for. And so when I went back across and I realized I got back, I didn't have a prop tool. The camera had died. I hit a tree and I just wasn't really feeling it on the sticks. Time to pack it in, go home, cook dinner, fulfill my, you know, family time and do that. Probably a better idea than just ripping around today and breaking something or whatnot. But we have fun. We're already headed back, so you ready for the ride back? And then we'll wrap up. For that, hey, fly safe, fly smart, just fly. Thanks for joining me. We're gonna try to do some more VlogVenture in here coming future episodes and more time. Some new stuff coming up that's really gonna be fun. But again, let's get back to the ride.
How could you
South by Southwest, yo. That's all, folks. Fly safe, fly smart. Just fly. Peace.